Today we will be learning the E sound. For the production of this sound, place the blade of the tongue close to the front of the hard palate. Put the tongue tip near the cutting edge of the lower middle front teeth. Press the sides of the tongue firmly against the upper back teeth. Exert effort with your tongue muscles and bring the upper and lower teeth very close to each other. Repeat after me. E, E. For the initials of the sounds, we can find it in the words such as eat, ease, easel, each, Eden, eel, edict, edict, ether, even. For the medial E sound, the words are beach, deep, keep, leap, cheap, teeth. For the final E sound, we can hear from the words be, free, glee,